Welcome to Conversations Live. For more than a decade, we've brought you the best in books, entertainment, celebrity interviews, and current events. When the movers and shakers of the world have something to say to you, they say it to us first. Now celebrating 17 years of broadcasting success, here's your host, Cyrus-Webb.
And welcome back, everyone, to Conversations Live. I'm your host, Cyrus-Webb. Glad you all could join us once again, both for our radio audience here in Mississippi and our online audience tuning in today, thanks to our friends at iHeartRadio and Amazon Music Podcast. We're glad you all could be with us as well. Well, I've been letting you guys know this for a couple of months now, but the open enrollment period for health care for 2021 is fastly approaching its end. And here to give us some great information as to why you need to take a look at healthcare.gov to make sure that you guys are in the right plan, and even how you can compare with the plan that you're previously in, we're excited to welcome Darryl-means to our program. Darryl is the Northwest Regional Administrator at the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. He's going to let you guys know all the new things you need to know about open enrollment, when the deadline is coming up, and, of course, remind you where you can get more information. Darryl, again, thank you so much for the time. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Cyrus. I'm happy to be here, and I appreciate you having us on your show.
Okay, the pleasure is definitely all mine. Well, we have been letting our audience know, of course, about this open enrollment period. But, Darryl, when is the deadline, though, for them to be able to sign up for 2021?
Cyrus, this year's health insurance marketplace open enrollment is almost over, as you stated. You only have until December 15th to shop for a 2021 health plan.
As I mentioned, Darryl, and we've been talking about this over the past couple of months as we've been trying to remind our audience, there are some people out there who, of course, say, you know what, health insurance is too expensive. Others may say, you know, I'm already in a plan. Why should they take a look, though, Darryl, as to what's available to them now for 2021?
Well, first of all, they should take a look because things change. Even though they may already be in a plan, they can go into healthcare.gov and check to make sure, one, that all their information is up to date. Two, they can browse through to see if there's a better plan that meets their needs, because their health changes and their plans changes and providers change. You also mentioned about the cost of it, and what we're seeing in Mississippi is that the premiums in some cases are dropping as much as 6% this year.
Wow. Wow, that is great to know for our listening audience for sure. Darryl, the other thing that I noticed when I was prepping for this segment, and I think it comes up a lot, especially because of COVID, is another incentive that you all have been really pushing for people to check is because of now the increase in telehealth. I know I've been taking care of that now with my family. Is that something also you're noticing people are wondering if their plan covers that, and if not, what plans do?
Well, if nothing else, COVID has highlighted the need for folks to really check their plans and make sure their plans cover them and cover the help that they need. So it's important that folks go into healthcare.gov and check to see what's available to them and update their information so that they are getting the best plan for their health care needs.
So, again, everyone, the deadline is quickly coming up. December the 15th, as you heard Darryl say, is the deadline to be able to make any changes either to your current plan or to select a new plan. So make sure you guys head over to healthcare.gov to be able to do that. Again, our guest for this segment is Darryl-means. He's the Northwest Regional Administrator at the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Darryl, I appreciate the great information. I hope our audience take heed to that. And looking forward to having you back on the program again.
Thank you. I certainly appreciate it, Cyrus.
We appreciate you, Darryl, and we thank you, our audience, for tuning in to another great segment of Conversations Live. Until next time, I'm your host, Cyrus-Webb, saying, as always, enjoy your day, enjoy your life, enjoy your world. Thank you all for choosing Conversations Live today. Let's make today amazing. Take care.